Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mug design on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the mug button next to the hoodie at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. If you want to add the image to your project, just go to the image button and go to the photo option at the left at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can add the images from your device. If you want to change the color, just click to the color button at the bottom of the screen and select another color. If you go to the add button, you can add the text to your project. Just write, and if you don't, just click to the done button. In the font section, you can find different font type, and you can edit the color of your text, the spacing, stroke. You can add shadows and different more adjustments. In the do the button, you can draft to your project, and if you go to the brush button, you can find different objects, and if you go to, for example, the butterfly, you can add butterfly to your mug. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.